Here I have XIAOMI Mi Max 3 and let me show you all the secret codes to enter hidden modes in your device. So at the very beginning, let's enter a first one. Just open the phone, the other, and then enter asterisk pound 4636 pound asterisk. And here you got the phone information, so it's for the first IMEI number, for the first PIN card. You've got current network, voice service, voice network type, data network type, and all the others. You can also run a ping test here, over here. Just tap on it, and as you can see, the first host name passed and the second one failed. So let's go back. Obviously, you can do just the same things in phone info too, so it's for your second IMEI number. And also you can select Wi-Fi information, so it's the very last icon, and here if you will select APA, so the first one, here you can disable current network, disconnect connection, get information about connection, and other stuff. So let's go back to the second one, so it's Wi-Fi configuration, and here you can check information about connected network, and the very last one, Wi-Fi status, and here you can obviously read about connected network and run a ping test over here. So let's go back, and now we will go to the second secret super code, which is asterisk pound 225 pound asterisk. And here you can check all your events and important meetings which are included in your calendar. So it will be from Gmail or some other mail if you will have it in your device, and also just the events that you typed in your device, in your XIAOMI, and also finally the holidays in place that you are currently staying in. So let's go back and let's enter the other code, which will enable us to open the Google Play services, and the code is asterisk pound 426 pound asterisk. And here you can check ping connect, disconnect, and events. So as you can see, all of them. So let's go to the the third and last trick super code, which is IMEI number information. So open it just by typing asterisk pound 06 pound. And now, as you can see, you got all IMEIs for your device. So because your XIAOMI have two possibilities to enter this SIM card, you've got two IMEIs here, and you can simply read them from this code. So it's a very quick way to open your IMEI number. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.